Can paper stop a bullet? That's what we're going to be testing today. I have bought 4 boxes of paper all the way up. That is 2,250 sheets of paper. We're going to be shooting a 9mm at it all the way up to a 270 hunting rifle and see what it takes to go through all of these pieces of paper. If even the 270 goes through it, I'm not sure. We're going to start off with the 9mm and see what that does. All right, we have our 9mm ready. Let's shoot it, see what happens. Okay, let's go check it out. See what it done. It hit right there. And it didn't go through the back. I don't see no bulge or nothing on it. So we'll try a higher caliber and see what it does. All right, next gun, 45 ACP. Let's wrench it back. All right, 45 ACP. Went in right there. Did not come out the back. Looks like we might have a little bit of a bulge right there, but it did not go through. All right, let's set the paper back up here and shoot something higher at it. Next up, FN 57. Not sure if this one has like more knockdown power than a 45, but I know it does have more penetration, so I'm thinking it might go through the first one. Let's try it out and see. Safety off. We'll hit it right under the 45. See, that is the 5.7 hole, 9mm, and 45 ACP. The 5.7 one, you can tell, is not near as big, but it should have more penetration. But it did not go all the way through. But you can tell by looking at it, it does have a little bit of a bulge coming out the back, right here. I'm surprised about that. We only have one more gun today. We're gonna be shooting the 270 at it next. And then we'll take the, if it doesn't go through the first one, we'll just take the first one apart and see, look for all the bullets in it. All right, next up, 270 Savage. Let's get it wrenched in. And these are really good bullets. Black tip ends, used for deer hunting and stuff. A lot of penetration in them. Don't know if this will go through or not. I think it will. Let's try it out. Yeah, you can tell that one had a lot more knockdown. Have the first one right here. Hit it here at the bottom, and it went all the way through the first one. And this one is actually 750 sheets, and these are 500. Hit the second one, which is 500, and did not come out the second one. That's really surprising. I figured it'd at least go through 2, but it didn't. So we're gonna shoot it one more time with the 270 and see if it can go all the way through the second one this time, just to try it out a little bit more. 270, see what it does this time. All right, the first one entered right here. Second shot in 270 hit right there. Come all the way out the back again, a solid hole all the way through. hit about the same spot in the second one and did not go through. So let's take the wrapping off this and see if we can find all our bullets. All the pistol ones should be in this. Right here is just a piece of it. I can see the other lower though. We'll get down to it. Right here it is. It's wedged down in there good. Right there. I'm gonna take a couple more pieces of paper off to get to it. Right here. That looks cool. You can see when it hit, it just kind of put it all together, like burn it together when it's hot. Paper on it too. Not sure what one that is. Looks to me like the 45 because how big around that is. Let's dig on down and see if we can find anything else. That also looks about the same. I think that's the 9mm bullet right there. And we also have another one right here. This should be the 5.7. Yeah. See, the difference in the 9mm and the 45, not really much. And this is the 5.7. It's a lot of difference in the size, but the 5.7 went a lot deeper. So we know there's no more bullets left in this stack, so we don't need it anymore. None of this, don't need it. Now we have the 500 sheets. Found part of one anyways. There it is. Pretty hot. The bullet is. Okay, I think we found where they stopped. Right there. There's a piece of one. And here is a piece of one. Very cool. I did not think that it would only go through 1 1/2, I guess you'd say. I figured it'd go through at least 2 or 3 at least, but it did not. Alright, that's it for this video. 270 went through 750 and about 300 more than that in the next one. So about 1,050 sheets it went through. And yeah, I thought it was going to go through 2 of them, but it didn't. If y'all ain't seen it already, my last video I shot a refrigerator, see what kind of bullets it takes to go through it. And we'll see you on the next one. Comment down below what I shoot next. See you later.